Hello friends, welcome again to Ashi's Book Hub. So as you already know, I'm reviewing, introducing, mentoring and showing you books in the author's collection. So today, this video will be on the fourth topic. Today is another video of the author's collection Saga. So today I brought you another world famous author, Riordan. So I will be showing you the books I have by Riordan. So first I'll give you a closer look of all of these books. We have lots of books here. I'll be showing you each of them little by little. This is an extra stack with a whole lot of books. And here we have the two giant books I already reviewed to you. Okay. So, now I will be showing you each of these books. 3 of these books have been already reviewed to you. 2 of these and this one, as I already told it to you in one of my first videos, and I also brought you a short. So now, let's go with each of these books shown to you. This series, known as Percy Jackson. So I'll first move out this series. These are some of the extra books. Just keep them on the other side. And start with the Percy Jackson series. Moving it out. Yeah, I know, I just stuffed these things inside so as to show you. Okay, so here is the series. Lightning Thief. Show it one by one. Okay, and keep it back there. Sea of Monsters. Titan's Curse. Battle of the Labyrinth. And last but not least, The Last Olympian. So that is it for the Percy Jackson series. Now let's go on for the second series. Here we have the Heroes of Olympus series. Okay, one second, okay. This set is quite heavy since like 3 or 4 of them are hardcover. Ouch. Okay. Lost Hero. I'll keep that again over there. Son of Neptune. Quite a heavy mark of Athena. The House of Hades. And The Blood of Olympus. Okay. Next, let's go to, I think the Kane Chronicles will be good. I reviewed this to you, introduced it, not reviewed it yet. So let's go. The Red Pyramid, The Throne of Fire, and The Serpent's Shadow. Next we have the Magnus Chase series. Magnus Chase and the Gods of Asgard, The Sword of Summer. I only have 2, I don't have the third one. And The Hammer of Thor. These are quite heavy, you know, hardcover ones. Okay, so these are extra collection minor books. So we have Percy Jackson and the Singer of Apollo. It's quite tiny. And then the Demigod Diaries. Reviewed this already. The Trials of Apollo, the Hidden Oracle. I don't have the other 4 books of Trials of Apollo on this one. So just continue starting that. That's the last series actually. And this is Greek Gods, so a smaller version of this one. Okay. Now let's move to this side. Got it. One second, okay? We have Percy Jackson's Greek Gods. Review this. Yeah, don't mind my face being covered. This is quite a huge book, so can't show it to you. And Percy Jackson's Greek Heroes. I'll move them back in. So here we have these extra sets which I have, and brought them and something again and completed my set, and after that let alone the extra ones. Over here Magnus Chase, and here to here Heroes of Olympus, this part Percy Jackson, this part Kane Chronicles. So I have some artifacts that I collected of this series. First we have this, which I already showed to you. This is the eclipse Heroes of Olympus necklace. This is actually a version of Jason Grace's Gladius coin. And then we have a postcard collection of Hotel Valhalla, a picture of Magnus and Loki's or Alex's logo. We have, this is what it's written. If you have trouble keeping the Greek heroes straight like I do, keep this handy. So this is a cheat sheet of the Greek heroes. Cheat sheet. Keep it there. And this one. Plus Jackson coloring book. Show to you. Some of them I colored. I'll just show them to you. Some of these are bookmarks, don't mind. Put them back here. Okay. So here we have one that I colored. I colored Annabeth Chase. And then I colored some of the cabins. I'll just show you some of the main ones that I colored. I don't think it's successful, but I colored Hades and Medusa. So first we have Medusa and Hades. Where's Hades? Oh, there's a name. This is the nicest one actually, I think. It's quite beautiful. And where's Hades? Over here. I just colored this yesterday. It's quite horrifying. Okay. So there are more that I colored and more that aren't colored, but I can't keep showing them to you. Okay, so thank you for watching these. And I also told you in my last in-between video to comment under the section below which of these books you like and if you read Riordan. So please comment in this video too. And subscribe, like, comment in the section below, click that bell icon over there to get any new videos from me and share this video with all of your friends. Bye, see you next day with another of my books.